one of the richest people in the Philippines is Manuel Manny Bamba Villar Jr. According to Forbes Philippines in 2024, Manny Villar is a public servant. He would serve 3 terms in the lower chamber while becoming the 18th Speaker of the House of Representatives. He would later run and win 3 terms in the Philippine Senate and serve as a Senate President in 2006, making him the first post-World War II public official to head both Houses of Congress. Manny Villar is owned various businesses and real estate in the Philippines, and he is the current wife of Senator Cynthia Villar. Villar is the second born of 9 children of his parents in a poor family. His mother, Corita Coring Bamba, was a seafood vendor, and his father, Manuel Manning Montalban Villar Sr., was a government employee. Villar was born to a simple family on December 13, 1949 in Moriones, Tondo, Manila. At a very young age, he was already helping his mother sell a shrimp and fish in a Divisoria market. With the burning desire for a better future and the strong determination to improve his family living condition, Manny worked hard in selling shrimp and fish to be able to send himself to school. With his hard working, he graduated from elementary school at Holy Child Catholic School in 1962, and from high school, Mapua Institute of Technology in Santa Cruz in 1966. He remained a working student as a seafood trader until he was able to go to college despite growing up in the poverty, and still did. Manny Villar is successful. He comes from a poor family and community of Tondo in Manila, and studied hard at the University of Philippines, Diliman, and earned a bachelor degree in business administration in 1970. Manny Villar is a successful entrepreneur. According to Forbes, Manny Villar is a chairman of a mall with a net worth of 4.7 billion US dollar and a chairman of Vistaland and Golden Heaven, and own a coffee project and Vista Mall.